My name is Aditya Prasad Sahu. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I have completed Masters in Computer Application from Sister Nivedita University. After completing my masters, I was not able to getting a job. Since in 2026, I came to know about eVision placement, eVision Technoverse Private Limited, which provides 45 days of training course. After completing these 45 days of training, I was well trained from eVision. And first of all, I thank you to the eVision trainers, Rahul sir, Prasanjit Majumdar, and Asutosh sir, who teaches me a lot about Windows administration, basic troubleshooting, CCNA, networking, and Windows operating systems. And I also thank about the eVision placement teams who provided me the placement from Sysnet Global Technologies Private Limited, and I got a salary offer of 2.40 lakh per annum. And thank you so much, eVision, for being with me.